खींच धनुष की तान निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का, खींच धनुष की तान निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का, बाकी बाद में देखेंगे कि तीर कहाँ तक जाएगा।
Let us remember that well. Money cannot buy happiness.
It can buy happiness, I
Yes,
think.
sure. That राह जहां तक जाएगी राहगीर वहां तक जाएगा, राह जहां तक जाएगी राहगीर वहां तक जाएगा, तुम दरिया से क्या पूछ रहे हो कि नीर कहां तक जाएगा।
खींच धनुष की तान निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का, खींच धनुष की तान निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का, बाकी बाद में देखेंगे कि तीर कहाँ तक जाएगा। Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Before we begin, I want all of you to do one thing. Take out your phone mentally. Now imagine one notification pops up, then another, then one reel, then just 5 minutes more, and suddenly your entire focus disappears.
Right, sounds familiar, right? Today, distractions are not just around us; they are fighting for our attention every single second. But the real question is: are we controlling our focus, or distraction controlling us? No.
Rather, tell me honestly, do you study with full focus?
Yes, absolutely.
Really?
Yes, I fully focus on when to take the next break.
Focus is not about studying for exams. Focus is not about studying for exams. It's about building dreams. It's about becoming successful. It's about deciding what deserves your energy.
Right, and the truth is the ordinary people and successful people is not of challenge, it is focus.
During exam, my brain is very active.
Oh wow, for studies.
No, suddenly I remember old songs, childhood memories, and what I ate in 2017.
Oh,
Raise your hands if you have ever opened YouTube for studying and ended up watching completely unrelated videos. Yes, exactly. That is how distraction works.
so what exactly is focus? Focus means giving your full attention to one important thing without allowing distraction to break your concentration. So, Asi, do you know what hurts the most?
What?
Should you study, finally sit to study?
And Wi-Fi suddenly starts working perfectly.
Oh wow!
Think about a camera. When lens is blurry, picture looks unclear. But when lens focuses properly, everything becomes sharp and beautiful. Our mind works in the same way.
Right. Let's imagine two students. Both are equally intelligent. Both study for 3 hours. But one keeps checking Instagram notification and messages, while others the studies to complete with concentration.
After 1 month, their results will be completely different because success is not about how long you study. Success is about how deeply you focus while studying.
Right. Guys, now tell us honesty. What distracts a student the most nowadays?
Why social media?
Exactly. And distractions are becoming stronger every day, which means our focus also needs to become stronger.
Great.
How do you stay happy while studying?
Asi, simple. Every 20 minutes of study.
You take a break.
No, I celebrate like I world a world record.
I made a world record. I celebrate like
I celebrate like I made a world
Once
record.
again. I celebrate like I made a world record.
I celebrate like I made a world record.
Radha, be honest, what distracts you the most?
My own thoughts.
Like?
Should I study to reach mysteriously?
So most people fail not because they are weak, but because they lose focus halfway. They starts with excitement but ends when things becomes difficult.
Of course, you are right. Focused people are not always more talent. They continue more consistent. They even
Focused people are.
focused people are not more talented. They are simply more consistent. They continue even motivation disappear.
Imagine a student preparing for board exams.
Right.
At first, syllabus looks huge,
Right.
stress increases, friends are enjoying, phone notification continuous coming.
Right, Asi? So last I want to say that train your mind, stay focused on your goals, not on temporary distraction. So
Because-
last I want to say that train your mind, stay focused on your goals, not on temporary distraction, because successful people is not the smartest people. They are the people who stay focused on your goals.
But success doesn't come from motivation alone, rather.
Asi, they watch one motivational video and suddenly feel like success already theirs.
But success doesn't come from motivation alone, Dada. It comes from the work done after the video ends.
Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Respected my dear sir and my dear seniors. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Today I am introducing myself. Okay, I am Anushka and my father's name is Amit Thakur. I live in Sukantola. And I am a student. I like to learn English. I like to see a black color. Black color never changes like a human that changes. And my favorite vegetable is gherkin. Oh my god, that's gherkin. That's top of the chutney. Absolutely delicious.
I want it.
I want. Means now you give now. I need the 10 chapati also. That's also delicious. That chutney also is there. Means spice is not there. Only salty, sugary. Means that's different. Only is there. All chutneys. All side is there. Only one chutneys I like to eat. Only that's only. Today I am telling about money. Only 2 lines. Okay, only 2 lines. This paper cannot give. Sir, can I start? I remember.
I don't have money. I would have given you. Yeah.
Can I start the? Cannot.
समझ रहे हैं हम पैसा का वैल्यू हम समझ रहे हैं एक्चुअली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मनी
हाँ, yes,
ओके
my
या
paper.
या लुक एट दिस थिंग दिस इज नॉट मनी बाय द वे दिस इज आल्सो पेपर बट इट इज नॉट मनी
Money is not just a piece of paper. It represents our time, our energy, and our sacrifice.
Yes, the standard
Yes or
also,
not?
yes.
Sacrifice. Every rupee we earn is a reflection of the hard work put in. Is or not? Yes,
Yeah,
sure.
yes, yes, sir, please.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Respect and money is about respecting in your hard work. Yes, hard work.
They are not hardworking actually. They don't understand the value of hard work actually. These guys are sleeping. Yeah.
Okay, it is tool that provides sacrifices and freedom. Let's go.
Sir, I want to clap for you.
Yes, freedom. But only when we manage it wisely.
Wisely,
Yes or not?
wisely, yeah.
That's only wisely.
Yeah.
I cannot pronounce it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
only well. Okay, let us remember that well. Money cannot buy happiness.
It can buy happiness, I
Yes,
think.
sure. That's
Yeah.
only sure.
Yeah.
Money is only respected in all members.
Right,
There
everybody
is-
respects you. Only
Huh?
she doesn't respect money.
Okay. We use directly. We use directly shapes our peace of mind and our future. That's all right. Okay. Okay.
Money is future.
Yes, then now future only is the now.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for taking time for me.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you. So beautiful. Okay. What to speak about her expression. Okay. I think everyone, including cameraman, including this teacher, including all these students, must learn the smaller version of Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Yes. Yeah, younger version of Honey Singh actually expression matters actually. When she was speaking about money, it was looking like I need to snatch money from her actually. Money is very powerful. Thank you very much. Come again with better preparation. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care.